Imagine your laundry day suddenly grinds to a halt, with your washing machine beeping urgently and displaying a mysterious combination of letters and numbers. It can feel like your appliance is speaking a secret language, and it is natural to wonder what exactly it is trying to tell you. Your washing machine is showing an error code because it is trying to communicate a specific issue it has detected within its system. These codes are essentially diagnostic messages, designed by the manufacturer to pinpoint problems and guide you or a technician toward a solution, preventing further damage and ensuring safer operation. The fundamental reason for these error codes lies in your machine's internal sensors and sophisticated programming. Modern washing machines are equipped with a network of sensors that continuously monitor various operations, such as water levels, door lock status, motor speed, and temperature. When a sensor detects an anomaly or an operation deviates from its normal parameters, the machine's central control unit logs this event and displays a corresponding error code. This system helps to protect the machine from critical failures and alerts you to problems that might affect its performance or even your home. So, when an error code appears, your first practical step is to consult your washing machine's owner's manual. This manual contains a comprehensive list of all the error codes specific to your model, along with their meanings and recommended troubleshooting steps. Often, simple issues like a clogged drain filter, an imbalanced load, or an interrupted water supply can trigger a code, and these are usually easy to resolve yourself after checking the manual. Always remember to unplug the machine before inspecting any internal components for safety. One insider detail to note is that some advanced washing machines use what are called F codes or E codes, which often stand for fault or error. These codes can be remarkably specific, sometimes even indicating the exact component that is malfunctioning, such as a faulty heating element or a communication error between control boards. Understanding this can help you communicate more effectively with a service technician if professional help becomes necessary. Ultimately, error codes are not a sign of inevitable disaster, but rather a helpful feature designed to empower you. By understanding that these codes are your washing machine's way of talking to you, and by knowing where to look for their meaning, you can often diagnose and resolve minor issues independently. This approach not only saves you time and potential repair costs, but also helps you maintain your appliance proactively, extending its lifespan and keeping your laundry routine running smoothly.